Before we continue with the details of the Java programming language, let's take a little tour of IntelliJ IDEA. I'm going to import an existing project from the exercise files by clicking the Import Project link on the welcome screen. And I'll navigate to the IDEA Tour folder under 0305, the folder for this exercise. This is the project root. Under that, there's an SRC or source folder, and that contains my root or base package, com, example, Java, and that contains my main Java file. I'll select the project folder and click OK. Then I'll click through the rest of the screens and accept all of the defaults. I'll accept the project name matching the current folder name. I'll accept the source folder as the folder containing my Java source files, and I'll click Next a few more times and then Finish. And that imports the current project. Now I can find my files by going to the source folder, and I'll see that my base package is displayed as a single string. I don't need to drill down through all the individual folders. And I can double-click to open my main Java file. By default, the project window is shown with the project view, but there are other views available. The Packages view simplifies the view enormously, eliminating the display of a lot of folders and going right to the base package and its contents. The Project Files view goes in the other direction, showing everything, including an IML file that's created when you import the project that defines a lot about the IDEA project itself. The Problems view is useful when you're trying to figure out what's wrong with your Java code, and there are other views available as well. For the most part, I'll be working in the Packages view. It makes it easy to see just the files I'm interested in for development work, and I'll only have main.java open initially. There are many other windows available. If you move the cursor to the lower left corner and just hover it over that little icon, you'll see a list of available windows. For example, the project window is already open, but there's also something called the structure window. The structure window will show you the contents of your current class, and you can click to go to a particular method or other declaration very easily. If you click on that icon, you'll see links appear along the left side, the bottom, and along the right that let you get to certain key windows. You can also get to various parts of your project by clicking on the links below the toolbar. So for example, if I double-click on Java, that takes me to that package. And if I double-click on the project icon, I'll go back to the root folder of the project. If you're in the root folder and you don't know where your current file is in your folder structure, you can click on this link, known as Scroll from Source, and the cursor will open the appropriate package and jump to the current class file. And that's an easy way to get to where all your Java files are. There are many other ways to speed up coding in Java using IntelliJ IDEA, but I'll show you many of these tricks as we continue learning the Java programming language.